Kitkupar nakaslem Jong nongsan Hima.
Samla Kitkupar nong Jied nong rwai balapau hajila ula thau yaga history bansa kanmau hakam rwai hapokari India hakbo la yo bandung shaka grand finale Jong World Championship of Performing Arts arjar arpundiu kabadonglong benta Las Vegas Nevada USA. Samla Kitkupar ula yorung shaka grand finale de hadian bulala bandwai bha ka semi final kabalong hakamiat Jong khat pra tarik naitung arjar arpundiu badwa kinong penyat Jong de Wcopa kila penbenai ka result ka pentikna bo uni Samla khasi ula Shah Jied banyakun haka final ya ka grand finale labo banong hakamiat Jong ka arpau tarik jeliu arjar arpundiu hakani ka penkut ka itanat bha kinong rwai bat betam haka perthei kin khun banyo ikinam la do hakba yau nong job bapura an penkuburom kumunong rwai ba paunam tam Jong ka perthei baro ka wei Samla Kitkupar udai na kashnong kenshi ka bahap hapo ke East and West Khasi Hills District Meghalaya bar ula sedang ban paunam hadian ula job iki katugani kichinya kop rwai ki balong hagajila bat ke bala penong yu ban yo mi khmat nagari India hagachinya kop rwai Jong ka perthei baro ka wei Samla Kitkupar ba pen pawe ka jing snow ba ula yo lat ban mi khmat nagari India shagachinya kop ba he ha ka perthei ula pen paw ka jing snow ngu ya ublei yagi kimiki pa bat baro ki badan benta hakaban ai mensiam bat kentiau yu shaka kerdan ke ba ulong benta shu habe kran shaphang ka jingpen khre jong u na ka benta ka final ulong banyo rung shaka final ka long ka buram ka bakraw hende ka chinya lenti kampat kut ula pen paw budang ye beteng ban pen khre bha ban pen ne jingmot ban ai ka ba hatam hakani ka kenti ngatep bangan ya khun persha ki katu gani ginong rwai ki batbet ha ka perthei hende ngan ya le daga jingshan ya ka jing snoret but daga jingkerman banwandra yaga jingkman yaga ri kumju yaga Meghalaya kaban snowsarong ulo.
I'm the 2006 Instrumentalist Grand Champion of the World, and now I am the CEO of En Vivo Records, which is a label running in Puerto Rico. If you like Puerto Rican music, you probably heard some of ours.
Hello, I'm from Las Vegas. Welcome to my hometown. Anyways, I'm one of the judges. My name is Sharon T, and also known as Sharon Tanyag. And I'm a singer-songwriter, recording artist. I've been judging here for a long time, like Jeff. And I'm also a CEO, a CEO of my Born Famous Entertainment, which focuses on artist development and management. And I'm so excited to judge every year, judging great talents from all over the world. So welcome and enjoy Las Vegas.
Hi everybody. I don't know what Sharon is talking about. I'm only 28. Times 28. Anyway, my name is Jeff Weber. I'm a record producer, and I've been making records for 45 years. I've done about 200 records so far. Multiple Grammys, multiple Grammy nominations. I've been judging and talking and speaking at Wcopa for a long time, decades actually. So I'm very pleased to meet every single one of you, and I hope you take the time to come up and introduce yourself, because we're here for you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline Kirkpatrick with Water Sound Entertainment, a label based out of New Jersey. Our artists have had billions of views across all social media. I work with a lot of UGC creators. With some of our artists are singers, instrumentalists, and I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys sing. Have a great day.
Hello, everybody. My name is Joey. I work with the New York Film Academy, College of Film, Media, and Performing Arts. Used to work in casting with MTV, Fox, NBC, Nickelodeon. I was an agent in New York for many years, performed professionally myself, but now I travel the globe looking for talent, and I'm very excited to see a lot of talent from all over the globe. So break a leg, have fun, and we'll see you up on that stage.
Awesome. All right, everyone, we're just about ready to get started here.